The moment I opened the door of my private cottage, I was mesmerized by this view. Ideal for solo traveler, backpackers, and families looking for a budget-friendly escape into the wild heart of Purulia.
चलिए दौड़िए भागिए और तुरंत फॉलो कीजिए।
हेलो एवरीवन, नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल, सलाम, केम छो, कसाय पब्लिक, जोहार और कैसन बड़ा रवा लोग। वेलकम टू पुरुलिया, the land of red soil, tribal heritage, and the untouched nature in West Bengal. Today we explore Mata Forest Resort, a budget-friendly property situated amidst the tranquil greens of the Ayodhya Hills, perfect for nature lovers and peace seekers. So let's take a tour of this charming resort. Mata Forest Resort offers a warm and homely welcome. The reception area is simple yet clean and efficient, and the friendly staff make the check-in process quick and pleasant. The resort features a selection of eco-friendly cottages and standard rooms. Each unit is basic but comfortable, equipped with essential amenities like clean bedding, attached bathroom, ceiling fans, and ample natural light. While the rooms are not luxurious, they are well kept and offer everything needed for a comfortable stay. Some cottages open up directly to forest trails, offering an immersive natural experience. Mata Forest Resort focuses on simplicity and nature. It features open garden spaces, a bonfire zone for chilly evenings, and walking paths ideal for bird watching and meditation. The resort also hosts occasional cultural evenings with local folk performances. Food is freshly prepared in-house with a strong focus on local tribal and Bengali cuisine. Meals are served buffet style in a modest dining hall. The options are limited but hygienic and tasty, with vegetarian and non-vegetarian dishes available. Their home-style cooking and warm service add to the charm, making you feel like you are dining in a countryside home. The ambience here is rooted in calmness and raw nature. Surrounded by forest and chirping birds, it's an ideal retreat from city life. The atmosphere is peaceful, rustic, and inviting. The pool area at Mata Forest Resort offers this magnificent view of the mountain trail. The staff at Mata Forest Resort are polite, down to earth, and always ready to help. Their simplicity and genuine hospitality make the stay memorable. Facilities are basic but well maintained. The focus is on a clean, eco-friendly, and quiet environment. The surrounding forest areas offers beautiful walking trail, sunrise points, and access to nearby attractions like Marble Lake, Bamni Falls, and the tribal mask-making village of Charida. This resort is truly for travelers who wish to disconnect and reconnect with nature. Room rates at Mata Forest Resort range from 1500 rupees to 3000 per night, depending on the type of accommodation and season. For the peace, nature, and simplicity offered, it provides excellent value for the money. Mata Forest Resort may not have the trappings of luxury, but it offers something far more enriching: peace, simplicity, and a deep connection with nature. Ideal for solo traveler, backpackers, and families looking for a budget-friendly escape into the wild heart of Purulia. Thank you everyone for joining this tour. If you like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe for more honest travel reviews and nature escapes. Until next time, keep exploring, and yes, have no fear when Gappu is here. Bye-bye.